Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to create a perfectly sized A4 document in Canva, this quick guide is going to make your life so much easier. Whether you're designing a flyer, poster, resume, or printable document, I'll show you exactly how to set the correct A4 dimensions, step by step, using Canva's latest 2025 interface. Let's get started. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged into your Canva Pro account. The feature we'll be using today, the resize tool, is available only in Canva Pro, and it's one of the most powerful tools for customizing your design dimensions instantly. Once you've opened your design, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the resize button right there. Go ahead and click on it. When the resize panel opens, you'll notice a search bar where you can type in the exact size you're looking for. Type A4 into the search box. Canva will automatically filter the options for you. Now you'll see several A4 size options, but the one you want is Document, A4, Portrait. This setting adjusts your page to the standard A4 dimensions, 210 by 297 millimeters or 8.27 by 11.69 inches, which is the international standard for most documents and print designs. Once you've selected it, click Resize this design. In just one click, Canva will automatically adjust your existing design to fit perfectly on an A4 canvas. No stretching, no cropping, everything stays in proportion, and you're ready to print or export. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, click Resize, type A4, select A4 Portrait, and click Resize this design. You've got a perfectly sized A4 document ready to go. This is incredibly useful for creating professional prints, reports, invitations, and more, all without worrying about incorrect dimensions or printing issues. So there you have it, a fast and easy way to make an A4 size document in Canva like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming Canva tips and design hacks. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.